Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my mini vlog. Um, this vlog is of 12 May, so I shall be uploading mini vlogs
Look at
of
these
the day.
pigs.
So you can
Look
see
at
how
these
we
pigs.
this is our pigs. And then later I just went for a walk. I made breakfast and then also lunch. I didn't take so much video of that, but later in the evening the weather
So
was
it's
really
so
fine.
beautiful.
I went for a walk and also went to visit our garden, rubber plantation. That's it, not so much. And later
Look at this jackfruit tree, guys.
on,
Look at this.
you can see this is our jackfruit trees. So I was just taking some videos, and then later in the evening, at night, I would say, around 6, I went for vendor shopping with my mom. So that's all, nothing much. We just made dinner and then fed our pig. That's all. Thank you so much.